We have completed the 5 steps till now. In the last step we have created the work breakdown structure and then we have inserted this work breakdown structure. Now we are moving ahead to the step number 6. Step number 6 is related to inserting the task. Task means activities that are required to complete your project. It is very necessary for the project developer to keep in ready the list of all the activities that are the part of your project work. Until and unless you have the various activities, you cannot do the further part. So for developing the project, maybe considering one of the example of construction, what we need to do is that we will need to arrange these activities in the logical sequence. Then we need to assign the duration over here, and then we need to create the relationship among these activities. So first step over here is insertion of the task. So first line should indicate the name of the project. Maybe the project is of construction of school building. So this is the name of your project work. Under it we will see over here, we will write construction. Now as soon as you insert the activities, you can see over here the work breakdown structure starts getting created. By default the duration will be 1 only, and the starting date as if now is 1st of May 2020. Under construction, now we will create some more levels. So under construction we will write down the work. Under it we will consider of contractor. Then we may insert over here substructure work. Under substructure work we will insert over here basement, and for this basement work we can write the various activities like excavation, then followed by plain cement concrete work, bedding, followed by footing work, followed by backfilling, and then stub column work, followed by maybe the plinth beam work, and then backfilling. It is also consisting of anti-termite treatment, then PCC, plain cement concrete in plinth, and maybe the construction of column and slab of basement. So this is the part that is related to the substructure. Now we can insert it for the superstructure. So again we will write it superstructure. In superstructure again we will create the various level. Maybe it depends upon the individual that in how detail they want to create the plan. So you can write some of the major activities by skipping the small activities, or either you can create the micro plan by inserting each and every activity. So I will insert column and slab of first floor. Now it is expected that the beam is being casted monolithically with slab, thus we have written column and slab work. Then column and slab of second floor. Then again we can insert the work of plaster and other finishing work. We can insert finishing, maybe the wall finishing. So we can write over here the wall finishing, just click on that, and then again you can write over here wall finishing. Then you can write here other finishing work. Moving ahead, we will insert some more activities, like in other finishing work you can include external plaster, and you can include the work of wall plaster, compound wall plaster it means. You can insert the work of waterproofing. We can even insert the work like flooring and tiling. So what we are doing is that we are inserting one by one the various activities which are required for the completion of project. We are going to introduce now another task, that is aluminium window work. Then we will consider carpentry work. Then we will consider the plumbing work, and so on. So till now we have inserted 29 activities. So after plumbing we can even consider electrification work. We can consider the work of lift installation. We can consider the work of firefighting. And then we can consider the work of landscaping. So what we have done, we have considered the various activities, and for all these activities we have even reiterated the sub activities. As if now you can see all these activities are in the same line. We can insert some more activities, maybe like the site and the infrastructure development part. Site and infrastructure part. What can be included in this part? It can be consisting of paving provision, or it can be consisting of the work like compound wall, maybe garden we have already considered in the landscaping section. Maybe we can consider the part of fabrication. And then we can consider the part of application for occupancy certificate. So now we have created the various activities. You can see over here, these are the various activities which are being listed one below the another. Important thing is that you should have the list of all the activities that are required for the particular project, along with the tentative duration that is required for its completion. As if now by default the duration is coming to be 1 day, and we need to make the corresponding changes. Since these activities are not in the interrelationship, so it is as if now it is showing of 1 day and occurring on the same day. Okay.